Kailan ba yan? Ayan, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Ano na?
Grabe naman yun. Sana all. Direct. Hindi ba ako dito? I was kidding. But yes, hello to our Bingo and Caroline! Congratulations on the success of Can't Buy Me Together. Grabe naman. Ako, I'm so excited to see the priceless finale. Kung pwede na mag-request, pwede mo huwag naman tapos. Diba? I'm just kidding. Pero bawal ang spoilers dito, guys, ha? Here's a question that I want to know. If you guys were able to take photos around Binondo with your new Galaxy A55 5G, which areas will it be? Baka naman your fans might want to know. Sa inyo ba, sino ba nakapunta na ng Binondo? Everyone? Actually, it's so hard kasi marami talaga magandang places there. And with the Samsung A55 5G, like let's say when they take selfies there or when they take photos, I think what I love about it is your object eraser. Object eraser, so if you want to remove something like an object photo covers or you know, other objects na ayaw mo sa photo mo, it's so easy to use.
Saan sa Binondo?
Bridge.
Pwede sa Hong Kong Bridge.
Sa bridge. Ayun na.
Saan pa? Sa mga food areas, sa mga tourism spots. Tsaka yung malaking bridge na nag-going tayo. Pwede rin doon. Mga tawag doon? Saan ba? Sa Rainwater.
Sa Rainwater.
Ano? Ha?
Binondo Bridge.
Binondo Bridge.
Binondo Bridge.
Tsaka yung favorite.
Binondo Intramuros Bridge. Yung tama?
Kasi favorite ko gamitin yung photo remaster na. Bing Bridge pa lang tawag ko. Kaya bago na lang. Okay yun lang. Okay yung photo remaster kasi the moment you take a photo, when you put on the photo remaster mode, you can see the photo literally become so much more HD when you swipe it that way. So super nice to have, super good video. That's probably my favorite feature.
And also, di ba kami food? Ang sarap ng food trip sa Binondo. Ang sarap din picture lang ng pagkain.
Huli ko na natin yung balot eh. Nalagyan mo nga yung balot eh.
Ano ba? Minsan nga, pag pinipicturean ko yung pagkain, hinihilangan ko din, 3, 2, 1, smile. Swear I do that. Ano lang. But we all know how an amazing actress as Caroline Sidenariano. But of course, not only that, she's also a phenomenal singer. And as a singer-songwriter yourself, what helps you #create awesome, lalo na when you're writing your music, and how do you use your Galaxy A55 5G to enhance your creativity as an artist? Wow! So you're on a day-to-day basis, most especially when you're out and about. Let's say there are really moments where, you know, my interest and my creativity sparks. And whenever I think of something, I think A55 is the best partner when it comes to, like, let's say writing music, when I write down or jot down my notes, and when I take inspiration to, let's say there's a scenery I see, tapos that's where I take my inspiration from. Instead of my photos and, you know, just to be more updated to online, to social media, it has a smooth performance and there is a display. And that's how I create #creative awesome music. And well, we all know naman na syempre pag creative tayo, we wanna put it down agad. Kasi kapag naisip mo na, sometimes we tend to forget it, lalo when we're in the moment. But if you have a recommended Samsung Galaxy A-series device and it feature, what would it be?
Siyempre para sa nalayo ka tayo, yung A55 5G. Para guys, fancy tayo lahat. Sino ba meron yung A55 5G? Meron na ba maganda? Ayun yung mga yun yung makikita ko. White din yung sa kanya, okay. Para matches tayo, eh. I also like the... Ano? Grabe sa sabihin. Then favorite ko yung dual recording mo. Yung nakikita mo yung sarili mo habang nag-record para makita mo yung reaction mo. Yun, okay din mo.
Diba? I did mention to you guys in dual recording, diba? So kapag ikaw, you wanna take a quick video of yourself about yourself. Again, say hello to all of our believers in the Dumbbell Empire. So, kilala naman natin si Bingo na very romantic. Diba? So, may challenge kami for you both. Di ba challenge tayo? If may pick-up line ka for Belle, what will it be? Pero wait, there's a catch. There's a catch for the song. We want to record this moment para na-capture natin yung reaction niyo. Di ba guys?
Very good to you. Para mo na reaction. Okay. Ako ba? Ako muna. Pick up line ba?
Yes. Sige na. Pakinggan natin guys.
Think. Samsung ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ikaw galaxy ko.
Wait lang! Teka, magpapatalo ba tayo? Okay, game. Game? Game ka naman.
Thinking.
Bakit? Nag-solve ka ba?
Bakit?
Ulitin ko. Sabi ko, knock-solve ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi, I feel secure when I hear you. Grabe naman yun. Sana all may ganyan. So guys, I just wanna let you guys know na si Knoxville. So explain ko lang guys what Knoxville is. So these are the feature, or rather, this is the feature that you guys, that comes with your Samsung Galaxy A35 and Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Is very safe. It can keep all of your files and photos very safe siya. So let's say that you is just a beach, ganon, safe yan. It already comes in your phone. You don't need to do anything. Once you turn it on, it's already turned on for you. Now for both of our nakakakilig na couple on stage, now that you guys have got your hands on the Galaxy A55 5G, how would you make it in summer natin? Like, how would you guys make it the most of your summer?
I will go to the beach and take advantage of its water resistance. That's what I'll do. And I think that's how I can create my awesome summer and also take a lot of photos talaga. I think it's the perfect companion talaga to create awesome memories.
Gusto ko makita yan. How about you, Ari?
Okay din yung beach eh. Pero maganda rin mag-hiking, mag-outdoor na kahit ano. Kasi i-take advantage naman natin yung pagiging dust-proof ng cellphone. Kahit anong outdoor activity, wala kang takot na gawin yung cellphone. Kaya lang yung wala sa not just the whole day, but the culture talaga. I can take amazing photos, amazing recordings, still be in touch with whoever you need to be in touch with. Pwede rin mag-vlog.
So sa lahat ng mga outdoorsy out there, yung mga favorite ng hiking is perfect for that. Kasi ito nga naman, medyo na yung bus or minsan nadudumihan talaga siya. So it's perfectly safe when you go outdoors. Now, do you guys have suggestions for your fans out there na how can make hashtag for 8 awesome for the best summer yet? And of course, you guys can also invite them to get the latest Galaxy A35 or A55 5G.
Yes, to those of you na wala pang A35 or A55 5G, guys, I promise it's the best companion taking photos
A55 now sa perfect time kasi super sakting cellphone for summer, lahat ng activities na pwede nyo gawin with this phone, and to be the best companion sa lahat ng daily activities and engagements. So perfect yan.
Diba? Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, Jen.